Welcome. In front of me is Dell 7320 Detachable, and in this video I will show you how to check this device's specifications. So first open the Start menu and go to Settings, then select System and scroll all the way down to the About section. And in the About section you will be able to check all of your device's specifications. You can read about everything on your device. You can also check Windows specifications right here. And if you want to check your specifications in real time, hold down your finger on the taskbar, open the Task Manager, then go to the second tab, which is the Performance tab, and here you will be able to see the graphs for each element of your hardware installed in your device. So CPU, memory, disks, and GPU. And in the top right corner you'll be able to see the name of the hardware element, and at the bottom you'll be able to see the specifications of it, and in the middle of it you'll be able to see the graphs of usage. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.